Okay, so how to zoom and magnify part of the video. So it's very easy. Hold Alt or Option, and then you can create a duplicate very fast. If you hold and just drag, you can create a duplicate. And about right this portion, so I'll just crop the video, and around this part, I would like to magnify this portion, right? So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna click on this video, and then I'm going to go to mask here, and then here in mask, I'm going to click on rectangle, and I'll position this around here, like so, even more, like this, right? Now I'm going to click on basic, and you don't see anything. That's because we hidden this. Actually, we didn't, but if you hide this, you can see that we cropped that portion. And now, like the person is talking, and then once we are moving to this part in that video, he's moving there, is I want to zoom in, I want to magnify that portion. Well, I'm just gonna click on scale and position, and then here I'll also add this is a keyframe edit actually for this video, so so I can make this look much better. I can decrease the opacity when I'm magnify, so I can create a very nice effect. So I'll add a keyframe for scale. Actually, not for scale, only for blend, sorry, because here we have opacity. And I added like a keyframe for opacity from here. Now, for this video, I'm just gonna add a keyframe for scale and then position. And then I'm gonna move a couple of keyframes. And here for this video, I'll decrease the opacity, the video at the bottom. And for this one, which is the cropped portion, and as you can see, it looks much, is more like this. As you can see, there's less opacity. The opacity is set to 100% only for the video. That's because is that video on top, which is cropped. And now for that, we just gonna click on increase the size. I can move it here now. And for this one, I can even decrease even more. And now this is what we have here. Very simple, magnified. So yeah, it looks pretty nice. Now we can add another keyframe here. And then here for the scale, and then maybe after a couple of seconds, I can go back here and increase the opacity, and then here I'll move this back to this position, and then I'll increase the opacity. And now this is what we have. If it's needed, I can decrease even more, maybe like so. And that's what we have here. You can add like the zoom out, but what can you do even better is just to crop that portion, and that's it. You just magnify that portion, and then that's it, So yeah, I hope you found this helpful. Make sure you subscribe for more, and if you have more questions about Capcut, let me know in the comments section. Thanks for watching and take care.